имрӯза мероприятия ба хотири ҷамъшавии журналистои Тоҷикистон ва блогерон. Мақсади ҷамъшавии мо имрӯз гап задани футболи тоҷикон мешавад. Аз пеш ҳама мо медонем ки чемпионати Осиё мешавад, яъне ки иштирокчии чемпионати Осиё тими мутахассиси мо мебошад. барои ҳавай чӣ саволҳо ҳаст, чӣ пешниҳодҳо ҳаст, марҳамат имрӯз дар толори Community Dushanbe. Саломат бошед.
Салому алайкум.
Чӣ гуфтанӣ доред насбати ҳамин мероприятияи ҳамрӯзангина?
Хуб, рости бори аввал аст ки дар чунин ҷамъомат ман ширкат мевазам. Пештар мо пресс-конференсияҳо медидем, вале айни замон як пресс-наҳорӣ аст. тавре медонем, пештар мо шумо ки дар ошои наҳор иштирок меварзем, вале пресс-наҳориро аввалин маротиба мебинем ва ин як ташаббуси воқеан олӣ аст ки суҳбати озод метавонем дошта бошем бо сармураббии мунтахаби Тоҷикистон. Солҳое ки мо дар дигар ҷоҳо бо сабаби маҳдудияти вақт дода наметавонем, дар ин ҷо мо албатта метавонем ҳам ба сармураббӣ ва ҳам ба бозгарони мунтахаби Тоҷикистон суолҳои худро пешон кунем ва ба суолҳои худ ҷавоби амиқу дақиқ бигирем.
Давайте вы нас тоже поприветствуйте, пожалуйста, вам слово.
First of all, and first of all, I must also show the big respect to our captain Nazarov and Yatimov and all the players who will come in the next days, because for me it was very tough after Uzbekistan. I don't see for now 6 months many of the players only on the television, or I can make them private, but not on the field.
تصفیه که اساسی تیم ملی بازیگران انتخاب میشوند یا لیگران؟ چرا از دیگر دسته‌ها و فوتبال دعوت کرده نمیشوند؟
Okay, I will answer in two parts because it's long. Which player I not called from Bujan? Listen, he was in Uzbekistan. He get this chance. Which players I don't call again? Yeah. This is very difficult because I call from all the clubs, and Istiklal buys their players later when there was national players. Ali Johnny was never played for Istiklal, but he must translate before you answer. Ali Johnny was never played for Istiklal. Exxon was gone from Istiklal. He was outside, all right. Alisha Jalilov, he was gone from Istiklal. I call not that these players was already also in the national team when I come in. So it is a situation. I call players from second division like Dala, who was also in Hujan. He was in Hujan but go in the army and later is there. I call also players from Regard like Nureddin. I call also players from CDSK, like the situation when you are CDSK. Yeah, I call Vaisedin and the goalkeeper Yusupov. Don't forget. And we have also the situation from all the other teams when they was playing in the league. We have from Kulop here, Paul, also the captain. We have all from the players, also from Kuktosh or from the small teams. We have also, for example, our players in the league from small clubs. I call from everybody, but a clear situation is I can do nothing for Istiklal. When Istiklal buy the best players, this is normal. Bayern Munich in Germany also buy the best players and they are national players there.
Aziz Boyev is one of the biggest talent in the striker position. He's very young. He's 19, 20 years, and the situation is another. I want to develop. We have after lost manager. Don't forget why we have called Aziz Boyev to national team, because we have not the players from Istiklal. We have not the players in the last weeks. We have not the players of some clubs like Boboyev or Manucha Jalilov. They was injured. We must try our players and. I don't understand. On one side you say you want new players, on the other side you are, when new players are coming, you call, why you call new players? Boys, I must, Jaha for example from Hujan is a very good boy and very good player for Hujan, but at the moment he is not good for us, and this is normal in football. I must look for my philosophy, and when I see that, for example, a young player like Aziz Boyev, because he has the body and he has this, then I will protect him. And when he is not ready for us, we will not call him. That is the situation. We need different kind of strikers in Tajikistan for the national team. Not only small, quick, or tall, big. We need technically, we need sometimes speedy, because Jordan has also every good team has different kind of strikers. And striker, why Ronaldo is one of the best strikers in the world? Because he has compared everything. Speed, body, technique, and what is very important, quality to score goals. Tajikistan people, thank you for all of your questions. Sometimes I don't like or I don't understand all your questions, but I appreciate it because I need your help. Together we can make big sensation in Asia Cup, and we bring us maybe in these two games in a good position for World Cup qualification. Rahmat Akam.
Tajikistan! Oh, sleeping. You see journalists sleeping. I try again. 3 times. Tajikistan!